In this video, I'll show you how to create a resume with Claude AI. This is a quick way to generate a professional resume based on your experience and skills. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a resume. For example, I might type, "Create a resume for a customer service representative with 2 years of experience." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a resume draft, usually including sections such as a summary, work experience, skills, and education. If I want the resume to be more personalized, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the job title, key skills, or previous work experience. For example, I might type, "Create a resume for a marketing assistant with experience in social media and content creation." Claude can also help format the resume and improve the wording to make it sound more professional. Once the resume is ready, I can copy the content and edit it if needed before using it in job applications. And that's it. I've successfully created a resume using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.